Hello friends, we have done an indicative study. What will be the impact on our coverage universe due to the sharp depreciation in rupee? As we know that rupee has depreciated by on an average around 13-14% against dollar since March 31st and around 9 to 10% against yen. So we have ascertained the impact of rupee depreciation based on four different parameters. The first parameter is the raw material imports or the imported fuel for different companies on the sales, and finally on the EPS. We think that Maruti and Hero Motocorp are most impacted as they have substantial proportion of raw material coming from the imports, which are yen denominated trade. Other companies which are impacted are Apollo Tyres, which import a substantial proportion in the form of natural rubber, and this is a USD denominated trade. Then Tata Chemicals is another company, and couple of companies from the cement sector like Shree Cement and India Cement, which import a fuel which is the coal, which forms some proportion of their sales. So we think that these are the few companies which are impacted due to the depreciation in rupee because their import bill goes up. We think that Maruti, if rupee sustains at current level and based on the hedges which the company has taken, so the Maruti can, the EPS could be impacted by 15%, assuming that they don't pass on the cost escalation to the customer. Why we think the same is because there is a poor demand scenario, so they may not be able to pass on the cost fully. So based on the hedges which Maruti has taken, the impact will be felt in H2 FY13. Similarly, in the case of Hero Motocorp, where there are very small hedges taken, the impact will be on the company because they also import around 14% of their net imports which are yen denominated. So there the impact will be around 13%. Polo Tyres, the impact could be 17%, assuming the currency sustains at current levels and they don't pass on the cost fully post the hedging period by these companies. The second parameter is the royalty bill, how they increase for different companies. For example, Maruti pays 5.5% of their net sales as royalty to the parent company Suzuki Motor Corp Japan. Similarly, for Hero Motocorp, if you look at the royalty proportion is 3.7%, including the depreciation, the royalty which is charged under the head depreciation. Now for Maruti, they have taken hedges for first half, and Hero Motocorp not much hedges taken. So there also we think that purely from the royalty point of view, for 3 to 4% EPS impact could be felt by these companies. Another issue is that a lot of companies who have outstanding FCCBs and they are coming up for maturity in this financial year, they would feel the impact. Lot of them have provided mark-to-market losses, but then there are a few other companies who have not provided mark-to-market losses fully. We highlight a few names. Gayatri Projects is one, based on the mark-to-market losses which they have not provided for and the current currency scenario, and also because of the fact that their loan is becoming due in August 2012, the mark-to-market loss can impact FY13 cash profit by almost 39%. Similarly, Syntex, the mark-to-market balance loss can impact FY13 cash profit at about 28%, which are very substantial sums which can have an impact on the company's cash profit for FY13. Similarly, Jayaprakash Associate, 17% of the cash profit can be impacted by M2M loss estimated, which we are estimating, which they have not provided so far. So, but there are a few companies which can see the benefit also because of the rupee depreciation, and primarily these are the exporters and IT companies. We highlight Infosys and TCS. If currency remains at current levels, then the EPS could be positively impacted by around 10% for these two companies. In auto space, Bharat Forge is one company where we can see the 10% impact. based on the hedges which they have taken. The major benefit of the hedges of the currency benefit in terms of realization would be felt in H2 FY13 because they are hedged only for H1 FY13. So other examples are in the pharma space. Divi's Lab and Catalyze are the other companies where they have high net exports to sales ratio. There they can see a positive currency benefit if the currency sustains at current levels. For dollar we have taken 55.5 and for yen we have taken 1.40 for the company. So that's for the forex plays, the impact and the beneficiaries.